cabin 7045 on Holland America's Noordam is the ship's largest and most luxurious accommodation. It's called the Pinnacle Suite for a reason. It's a very large suite, it's spacious, it's a multi-room setup, and it accommodates up to 4 guests. It features high-end amenities like a private whirlpool on the veranda, king-size bed, and the good thing is this one has a complimentary laundry service. In the Pinnacle Suite, you can accommodate up to 4 people. Here we can see a massive bedroom area with a very large looking bed. It has this bathroom attached, which is very bright. It's marvelously decorated. You can see some towels lying around, but again, it's not made up. But we can see the Whirlpool bath or spa in the back there. Got some hanging robes. Got a separate shower stall here. Walk-in shower. Very big shower recess. We've got a seating area here with a phone. I'm going to head out to the balcony and just look at the size of this balcony. You've kind of got like this recessed lounge area as well as a 4-seater table, as well as 2 lounges, and then an outdoor whirlpool or spa. And look at the wood accents. Isn't that just beautiful? It's just stunning. Imagine sitting here having a boiling hot spa as this ship sails through Alaska. Wouldn't that be special? You can see another lounge at the end of the balcony here. This truly is a massive balcony. And here we are in Sydney, but just imagine the views from the spa as you're sailing through Alaska. Heading back inside, we've got the seating area here, artwork on the walls, very large TV. There is space for you, your guests' friends, and everyone else that you wish to bring along for, you can always host a party in here, have a little bit of a social event. Anyways, heading back into the bathroom. This is the other side. But look at the hanging space. We've got a walk-in wardrobe, a full-size mirror. Here we have the toilet area. See, it's a separate area. Floor-to-ceiling tiles. It looks exquisite. Here we have the vanity. They call this a Jack and Jill vanity, I believe. Makeup mirror. Plenty of storage options. Plenty of towels as well, so you can just use towels to your heart's content. Looking bedside tables there, more storage options, and a very large bed. And we've got this thing behind the bed, which I didn't really pay attention to. I think it's a phone or something. I don't know. If you know what that is, drop it in the comments. I have no idea, but it's a piece of art nonetheless. We've got a seating area or a makeup area or a vanity area, I guess, that's in the bedroom itself. We have this almost dining area, which has 4 seaters, a lovely flower arrangement on the table, windows throughout, a large statue. That statue looks like it has a trident. I don't know if it's Poseidon. Could be. You think you're heading out, but then if you take a look on the left, you actually have another bathroom area. So this is almost like the guest bathroom, I guess. See, we've got another toilet in here, another little vanity area, freshen up before you head out. And on the other side, we have a little kitchenette type of area. We have another sink, what looks like a fridge, what looks like a microwave, coffee area, plenty of storage, almost like a butler's pantry. And that's it. So that was cabin 7045 in the Noordam. Let me know in the comments below, could you see yourself spending time in this suite? Don't forget to like, drop any questions you may have in the comments. Till next time, keep cruising.